playing Magic, Toby? Yeah, get in the game.
Alright. Did that right? Going in for 2. Nothing to block with, so that's 2. And then you get a +1/+1, which we don't have any counters, just remember it's 3. Alright. Over here. Tap. I kind of screwed without. There we are. Boom.
You getting this, Toby? Huh? Huh? Yeah. Checking out the cards?
Alright, they're good. Alright, time for us again, Toby. Untap all your stuff. Draw. Alright. This one? Yeah, good. We gotta play that first. You're thinking exactly what I'm thinking, right? Oh, yeah. Alright. Wreck 'em. Murder. Sorry, you finally got a creature out, but you're screwed. Alright, Toby. Going in for 5. Alright. Taking 5 on him. And now he's a 4/4. 5/4. Sorry. Whenever a vampire. Cool. He's a 5/4. You also gain 5 more. No. 2 more life. Okay. You have no other cards to play, so it's over here. It's our turn again, because they have a horrible draw, so let's end this quick. Alright, we'll hold on to that, because there's nothing we can use it on. So let's go in for 7. Yep. Alright, now he's at a 7/7. Alright, let's see if they can do this now. Nope, they're screwed. Alright, let's have him scoop. Oh, this is mean. Alright, well, might as well just do it to be mean. Another Vampire Nighthawk. Sorry, going in for 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They have 3 left. He's now at a 9/9. Ouch. So, let's see if there's anything else they have. I doubt it. Nope, they just lost. Scoop! Good game, buddy. Good game, yeah.
What have you learned from Magic, Toby?
Black-red vampires are fun.
Yeah?